In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Later account. If you've decided it's time to move on from Later, I'll walk you through the exact flow so you can close your account with confidence. Before we start, keep in mind that deleting your account is permanent. Once it's gone, you'll lose access to your content, scheduled posts, analytics, and any connected social profiles inside Later. Make sure you truly no longer need the account and read each prompt carefully as you go. First, log into Later. Use your usual credentials and wait for your dashboard to fully load. It helps to do this on a desktop browser so you can clearly see the full settings menu, but the navigation labels are the same even if you're on a smaller screen. Next, head to Settings, then Account Settings. You'll typically find settings by looking for a gear icon or your profile menu near the top right corner of the screen. Click into Settings, and inside that area, select Account Settings. This is where Later groups the controls for your profile, plan details, and the options that affect your overall account status. Once you're in Account Settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Delete Account. It's usually toward the bottom, below the General Preferences and Plan Information. Take a moment here to read any notes around that section so you know exactly what will be removed and whether the action is immediate or scheduled. When you're ready, click Delete Account and follow the confirmation prompts. Later may ask you to confirm your choice more than once, select a reason for leaving, or acknowledge what data will be permanently removed. You might be asked to re-enter your password or complete a quick verification step to ensure it's really you. Go through each screen slowly, review the warnings, and confirm. If you see a final button that says Delete, Confirm, or Yes, that will complete the process. After you finish, you may receive an on-screen confirmation and possibly an email letting you know the deletion request has been processed. That's all there is to it. Log in, go to Settings and Account Settings, scroll to the Delete Account section, then click Delete Account and complete the confirmations. If anything looks different on your screen, use the search bar in Settings for Account or Delete, or look for help links within the prompts for the most up-to-date guidance. Thanks for watching and take care as you manage your online accounts.